I wanted to show you how to mount the passive infrared detector on the wall. So the first thing you need is a Phillips screwdriver. You open the screw at the bottom of the sensor, holding down the cover as it has a small spring that pops it open. You don't need to remove the screw stays connected, and you just open it like that, okay? And when you open it like that, you have the panel here which is open, and you have the ability to just use one screw that goes all the way through here. Of course, you can remove the panel here. It is connected here. All you have to do is move the sides here in order to remove the panel, and you have access also to the 4 inserts here if you like. But it's enough only just one screw that goes through here. You drill a hole through the plastic, and then you drill the screw inside. That should do it. When you replace the cover, make sure that the holes here are aligned with these 2 inserts, as you can see, like that. And then you hear the click.